Member XXL is by far the best product for men who want to enlarge their penis. This drug has the advantage over others in that it is easy to use and 100% safe. It also guarantees an impressive effect. No pain, no discomfort. The XXL Member meets all the requirements of men who want to feel more confident in the bedroom. The unique recipe of Member XXL makes it the #1 drug for men. Member XXL capsules have a lot of Member XXL male enhancements, gold standard and non-invasive method for penis enlargement, fast-acting capsules, thickening and lengthening of the penis by up to 9 cm, makes sex better, highest quality and completely safe. Nothing stands up to Member XXL. It's a competition-beating product that can achieve startling effects. See for yourself how Member XXL enlarges the penis from the first day of use. The first easy-to-measure effects can be seen after 3 weeks of regular use, over which the penis increases by an average of 2 cm. After another month, it increases by up to 6 cm, and after 3 months by Member XXL is a unique product based on 100% safe natural ingredients composition. Over 20 years of work, I have never seen such carefully developed formula that use extracts of proven efficacy. Member XXL's ingredients improve circulation, increase libido and improve men's sexual response. The result can be astounding, especially in men struggling with a small penis. Benefits of Member XXL. A scientifically designed formula based on the following ingredients. Member XXL is a food supplement whose effectiveness is based on high-quality ingredients, including L-arginine, fenugreek extract, palmetto extract, Tribulus terrestris extract, Chinese magnolia fruit, Korean panax ginseng, saffron and black pepper. Research results confirm that these ingredients are responsible for enlarging the penis and improving optimal dose. In addition to the selection of appropriate ingredients, applying the right amounts of each substance is also important. Member XXL contains exactly the right amount of active substances needed to achieve the effect of penis enlargement. High-quality ingredients. The Member XXL formula was developed carefully, with attention paid to using the best ingredients. Thanks to this, a safe and effective food supplement. Results of tests in a group of 90 men. Research on the effectiveness of Member XXL was conducted in a group of 90 men aged 22 to 50 years. Randomly assigned men consumed either a placebo or Member XXL for 12 weeks. After this time, it turned out that the men receiving Member XXL increased their penis size by an average of 5 cm. Satisfaction from purchases was also tested. The product was assessed as very good by 70% of men, 18% thought that it was good, while 12%